guys, and welcome to Smart Horizon. In this video we will be learning how to make this infographic shown here. For that we will be needing a blank presentation in MS PowerPoint, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Here I have this blank presentation here, or we can say a blank slide. Now I will right click it and go to Format Background and fill it with gradient. You can choose the gradient you want, that is the choice of colors. Here I have this gradient filled in my background. Next, I'll insert a shape or rectangle to the slide as shown. I will now fill it with a gradient. You can use the choice of colors you want to use. I am using the gradient shown here. From here you can choose the direction of the gradient. Place it where you want to place it in the slide, that is on the right or the left. I am choosing the side shown in the video. Now again I will go to insert shapes and choose the arrow shape that we want to use here. Click and drag to make the shape and place it on your slide. Just copy and paste it. For copying you can press Ctrl C, and for pasting Ctrl V, as I want 4 arrows here in our design. I will now work on their placements. Next, I will select all the arrows and have no line, that is the stroke, the outline, and fill it with a gradient. Next step is to choose different gradients for all these arrows, or you can say shapes. Now I will add a border. For that I'll go to insert and select a line. Press shift and make a straight line. Next I'll go to format and select the width of the line, the color of the line, and the pattern of the line. So I have this line here. I'll copy and paste it twice, as I need 3 lines in the border. I will change the width and the pattern of the line copied here, and then copy and paste it on the other side. Now I will add borders to the shapes, the arrow shapes that we have. For that I will copy and paste the shape itself and make it a little smaller. I will fill it with no fill, that is I do not want any fill in this shape. I just want the stroke, that is the outline here, and I will decide the pattern of the outline and the color of the outline from the properties shown here. I will now copy and paste it and place it inside each shape, or I can say the arrow shapes that we have here. It's time to add some text to our slide or to our infographic. So I'll go to insert and add a text box. I'll write A, B, C and D in the arrows. I'll select the color of the text, the font that I want, that is the font style, and the font size. Now I will write the title of the slide, that is the thing that we are talking about in this presentation. So I'll write here content title. In the same way, we can select the font style, font size, we can bold our text and the color of the text that we want to use in our design. Now we will create the subtitles or the taglines for the subtitles. So here is our design ready. It's time to add animation to our slide. I'll now group these A, B, C and D, that is the basic shape, the border and the text written in the arrow shapes here. For that I'll select it one by one and press Ctrl G to group it. I will first animate the title, that is the content title here. For that I'll go to animations and choose one of the entrance animations that I want. Here I have chosen wipe and from the effects I have chosen from top. Next I will animate these groups made here. I'll add swirl. Then I want this after previous, so I selected after previous. Next I'll animate this subtitle text here. I will animate the rest of the content in the same way. I will now check my final result, that is the slideshow, by going on slideshow and tapping from the beginning. This is our result. I hope you like the content. Thank you for watching.